All right, now the Supreme Court has once again rapped the centre and the states for not doing enough to control pollution in Delhi NCR region. In quite a scathing remark, the top court has said bureaucracy does not act and only waits for courts to give orders. Supreme Court has said that we can't wait for weather to change and take smoke away. It asked the centre to consider using buses to transport employees after it declined to implement work from home. During the hearing, CJI has asked why firecrackers were burnt despite the ban. He's also rapped the Delhi government for shirking responsibility and pinning the blame on stubble burning by farmers. In fact, Supreme Court directed Delhi and NCR states to comply with decisions taken in the meeting yesterday. Posts matter for hearing on Wednesday next. Now we cut across to Anisha Mathur joining us more on that. Anisha, here are several observations which the Supreme Court have made. Unfortunately, the centre and the state are left to bickering. The Supreme Court now, as they wrap the centre and the states, saying very clearly that concrete measures must be taken to ensure that pollution is combated and not to wait for courts to give orders. What else did the court observe while giving instructions to the centre and states alike?
Well, there are several points that the Apex Court has made today, the chief of which is don't wait for our instructions. This is not simply a seasonal issue. Air pollution in Delhi, particularly since we're talking about issues other than simply crop burning, there are several issues such as industries, construction, transport, etc. Those must be addressed as soon as possible. In addition, Punjab and Haryana governments have been directed to ensure that crop burning is stopped as soon as possible. The court you've taken to help the farmers. More importantly, the court has expressed its absolute
Anisha, thank you very much for joining us with those details. But here you see the Supreme Court saying, don't wait for the court to intervene, can't wait for weather to change and take smoke away. It's now time up for the state and the centre, come up with concrete measures. The next hearing the Supreme Court has held is on Wednesday. As we enter the thick of the winter season, we're looking at pollution levels only on the rise. Of course, pollution suspending in the air at this point of time in the year. There are some of those precautions that you must take to ensure you're safe and your family is. Let me take you through some of those pointers that you keep in mind. Take special care of your kids and, of course, the elderly at home as respiratory problems are just on the rise. Avoid going out when air quality index is high. So keep a track on the air quality index around your area. There are several apps and portals that suggest what the air quality around your area is. Keep windows and doors closed. Of course, this is advisable, especially if you have kids and elderly in your home. Have an indoor air purifier as well if you can afford one. Wear a 3-ply surgical or an N95 mask. This is, of course, quite mandatory if you're stepping out, most importantly. Avoid smoking, indoor smoke of any kind. And also, of course, drink plenty of water and increase all the vegetables and fruits in your diet, only so you can stay fit and healthy and pull through this winter season with the pollution. Now, after the wrap from the Supreme Court on Monday, the Centre and the Air Quality Management Commission held a crucial meeting on Tuesday. The Air Quality Panel has issued a slew of measures to curb air pollution, and according to new directives given, all schools, colleges in the NCR region to remain shut until further notice. All construction and demolition activities in that region also to be banned until 21st of November. Only essential items, trucks, are going to be allowed inside the NCR region, the national capital. NCR state governments have been strictly directed to allow work from home until further notice, while private offices have been allowed to follow suit as well. Meanwhile, Delhi's air continues to remain in the very poor category. The AQI in the national capital currently stands at 379. As we speak, it's only inching closer to the severe category each passing day. Air quality in Noida now has slipped to the severe category, with air quality now standing at 479.
एक हफ्ते के लिए दिल्ली में स्कूल कॉलेज बंद कर दिए गए हैं। नॉन एसेंशियल गुड्स के साथ अगर कोई ट्रक आता है तो उसकी दिल्ली में एंट्री भी बंद कर दी गई है। जो कई सारे निर्माण कार्य चल रहे थे, अगर वो सरकार द्वारा बेहद ज़रूरी निर्माण कार्य नहीं है तो उस पर भी रोक लगा दिया गया है। लेकिन ये सारी चीज़ें नाकाफी साबित हो रही हैं, क्योंकि अगर हम बात करें AQI की तो वो अभी भी दिल्ली में 350 के ऊपर बना हुआ है, जो कि वेरी पुअर कैटेगरी में आता है। इस वक्त हम लोग विजय चौक इलाके पे हैं, जहां पर हम मौजूद हैं। यहां से अगर प्रदूषण न होता तो सामने इंडिया गेट साफ तौर पे नजर आता, लेकिन ये स्मॉग है जिसकी वजह से इंडिया गेट नहीं बल्कि एक आकृति वहां पर नजर आ रही है। ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ जो AQI 350 के ऊपर बना हुआ है, ये उसी का नतीजा है। और अब ये देखना है कि जो तमाम कोशिशें प्रशासन द्वारा, सरकार द्वारा की जा रही हैं और आने वाले वक्त में कुछ और कदम भी उठाए जा सकते हैं, तो क्या वो जमीनी स्तर पर नजर आएंगे? क्या ये कोशिशें AQI को सेटिस्फैक्ट्री लेवल पे ले जा पाएगा? कैमरामैन मनीन के साथ हिमांशु मिश्रा।
जितने भी पेट्रोल पंप्स हैं, पेट्रोल तो डीजल या पेट्रोल तो लेना ही है, CNG भी लेनी है, तो वहीं पर हमारी टीम्स जो है वो तैनात है। अगर कोई भी व्यक्ति बिना सर्टिफिकेट के अगर वो पेट्रोल डलवाने आ रहा है तो हमारे वहाँ CDVs भी हैं, हमारे एनफोर्समेंट की जो गाड़ियां हैं वो भी हैं, जो पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल ऑफिसर्स हैं वो भी तैनात हैं। पहले हमने उनको एडवाइज किया था भाई आप अपना पोल्यूशन करा लें, लेकिन अब सख्त आदेश है कि अगर कोई भी व्यक्ति बिना पोल्यूशन सर्टिफिकेट के अगर कोई पेट्रोल पंप पे आता है तो उसका वहीं के वहीं चालान कर दिया जाए।
लॉकडाउन सोल्यूशन नहीं है, लॉकडाउन समाधान नहीं है। हम सबों को और खासकर CAQM को, जिसका मैंडेट है साल भर वायु प्रदूषण के ऊपर काम करना, उनको एक लॉन्ग टर्म स्ट्रैटेजी बनाना पड़ेगा और इंटर स्टेट एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाना पड़ेगा। जब तक CAQM इसको एक लॉन्ग टर्म सोल्यूशन के तहत नहीं सोचेगा तब तक हम इससे निजात नहीं पाएंगे।
जो इंटेंस वर्कआउट है जैसे साइकिलिंग और रनिंग, उसमें इशू होते हैं। जिस इंटेंसिटी से हम पहले कर पाते थे उस इंटेंसिटी से अब नहीं कर पाते हैं, तो थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेन पड़ता है।
जो सांस के मरीज है उनको ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, और जो यंग जनरेशन है उनको भी थोड़ी सांस रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है। मैं रोज़ सुबह 5:30 बजे पार्क में जाके आता हूँ, जिससे मुझे काफ़ी बेटर फील हो रहा है कि जो पोल्यूशन का लेवल है जो मॉर्निंग में रहता है वो बहुत ही कम रहता है।
All right, coming up next, Kartarpur Sahib corridor finally opens up ahead of Guru Purab. The pilgrimage was suspended since March 2020, and 20 long months later, it's finally opened up. Going to take you through snippets of that right after a short break. Stay with us.